Hello friends, welcome to our channel Sports Plus. As we all know that T20 World Cup has started from 17th October 2020. But India is having 2 warm-up matches and 5 qualifier matches. Now I am going to update you with the schedule and venue of the matches in Indian Standard Timing. First warm-up match begins on 18th October between India versus England, that is on Monday at 7:30 pm in the evening Indian Standard Timing. Venue ICC Academy Ground, Dubai. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel Sports Plus for live telecasting of ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021. Second warm-up match is scheduled on 20th October between India versus Australia on Wednesday at 3:30 pm in the afternoon. The same venue, that is ICC Academy Ground, Dubai. First match for India begins on 24th October on Sunday at 7:30 pm Indian Standard Timing between two rivalries, India versus Pakistan. Venue Dubai International Stadium. When we look at the T20 international ranking, India in second position and Pakistan in third position. So let us all wait for this match, and live streaming will be done in Sports Plus channel, so stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Second match begins on 31st October on Sunday at 7:30 pm in Indian Standard Timing between India versus New Zealand. Venue Dubai International Stadium. When we look at the T20 international ranking, India is in the second position and New Zealand in the fourth position. Third match for India is between India versus Afghanistan. This match is scheduled on 3rd November, Wednesday at 7:30 pm in the evening and Indian Standard Timing. Venue Zayed Cricket Stadium, Abu Dhabi. When we look at the T20 international ranking, India is in the second position and Afghanistan in the 8th position. Fourth match for India between India versus opponent team yet to be decided. This match is scheduled on 5th November, that is Friday at 7:30 pm in the evening. Venue is Dubai International Stadium. Fifth match for India is on 8th November at 7:30 pm in the evening. Opponent team yet to be decided. Venue Dubai International Stadium. And live streaming will be done in our YouTube channel Sports Plus. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to all your friends. So let us all wait for the matches which are going to begin on 18th October, that is first warm-up match.